So the next is compounds. So when atoms of two or more different elements combine chemically in a fixed proportion, they form a compounds. That is, atoms of same element combine to form molecule of elements but not a compounds. For example, oxygen molecule, that is O2. It is made up of only oxygen atoms, is not a compound. That is called molecules of element. O2 is called molecule of elements because oxygen, two oxygen atoms combine to form oxygen molecule. So it is called molecules of elements. But water molecule, that is H2O, it is called a compound. Why? Because two atom hydrogen and oxygen, two atoms of hydrogen and oxygen mix to form water molecules. So it is called compounds. But oxygen molecule, that is called molecule of elements, but H2O is called molecule of compound. Okay. So the examples are hydrogen chloride gas HCl, sodium chloride NaCl, nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2, zinc sulfide ZnS, and magnesium chloride, that is MgCl. Now characteristics of compounds. A compound is a pure substance. A compound has same composition and same properties, that is, it is homogeneous. Next, a compound has distinct property as the original components lose their individual properties. For example, here iron sulfide. Iron sulfide is made up of by heating iron and sulfur in fixed proportion, and this iron and sulfur cannot be separated from iron sulfide by any physical method. And remember that the property of iron sulfide, that is FeS, iron sulfide, is different from iron and sulfur because iron is attracted by magnet but iron sulfide not attracted by a magnet. Similarly, the sulfur soluble in carbon disulfide, but this iron sulfide cannot soluble in carbon disulfide. So the property of iron and the property of sulfur are different from these compounds, that is iron sulfide. So written here, a compound has distinct property as the original component lose their individual properties. Similarly, we can take an example. Sodium chloride NaCl. NaCl sodium chloride, that is Na plus Cl. In sodium chloride, it is made up of elements sodium and chlorine. Sodium and chlorine. But look here, sodium, the property of sodium and chlorine are different from sodium chloride because sodium is a soft metal, and this chlorine is a poisonous gas, but sodium chloride is used as a ingredient of food. So the property of sodium and the property of chlorine different from sodium chloride. Okay. Now elements in a compounds cannot be separated by physical method. That is, for example, I already told in iron sulfide we cannot separate iron and sulfur from iron sulfide. Next, energy is released or absorbed during the formation of compounds. That is, some energy released and absorbed during the formation of compounds. Next, symbol of elements. The abbreviation of the name of an element to its initial letter is called symbol of an element. Or we can tell that chemical symbol is a shorthand representation. Okay. The symbol of an element consists of one or two letter, and the symbols are used all over the world. So today we have to know some simple rules how to write symbol.